been trained on like SQL, which is taught by Revan sir, and web technologies, which are HTML, CSS, JavaScript by Reshma ma'am, and Python by Rafiq sir, and Django by Sagar sir. So I really appreciate all the mentors who have taught me. Their teaching skills, I love them. They have taught like their explanation is really good, and also I would say like whatever they have taught, apart from that, their support towards like getting placed or any extra help, they have done everything to me and also all the students. So this is all I have liked the experience here. Thank you so much.